Hi there, my name is Mina Sabzian. I'm coming back to teach you something great like how we can crop the subject from the background, but in another and different way. Today I want to use not quick selection tool or not a subject selection tool. Today I'm going to use background eraser tool. I don't know whether you are familiar with this tool or not, but I know that this tool is destructive. But we are going to use this destructive and non-destructive way also. Okay, this is my background. I have chosen one picture and you can bring your photo and make a solid background here. I made it by myself and make a duplicate of your subject also. Then we are going to choose our tool, background eraser tool, and we are going to option bar and we are choosing these sampling ones, and limit is discontinuous and tolerance is 25, but right now it's 25, but we are going to experiment which amount is better for this work. I'm making my brush with the help of bracket key bigger and going to sample here once. As I sample till I'm holding the mouse key, I can go further. As I leave it, I can't do it again. Again, I have to sample it again here and go around the subject. I want to make a selection around this subject, then I'm going to do something else. I'm going to speed up. Okay, we are back. Now I'm going to make another copy of my subject and naming it mask. Going on the subject, press and hold the control key and make a selection of it and come here and make a mask. Now I don't need this layer, I'm going to delete it. I'm bringing this upper this and going to the mask by pressing Alt key. Here we can see the selection of this which we have done with the help of our tools. I am activating brush tool with B key. Making it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to, it's on overlay normal, and I'm going to paint this rest of the part with dark because I want to make my subject out. Okay, I'm going to again to speed up this part because I don't want to this video will be long. We are back. Now we can see that is look fine, but still we can work on it. I'm double clicking on it to go to the page of Refine Edge, and with the help of Refine Edge I'm going to around this hair a little bit to remove a little this halo out. My laptop is not functioning well. It's okay. Now I'm coming to give a little bit contrast. I think it can work a little better. I'm shifting this edge a little, not so much. I think it's okay. Going down, I'm on this is decontaminate color. What is, oops, 100. Here, a little lower. I think it's look good. I'm happy. Hitting OK. It's coming here. A little has problem here. Hit Alt. I'm going here. Decreasing the size of brush tool here, and I'm making this overlay, changing the background to remove this, change it, overlay, and this is black to remove the gray halo from here to look better. I think it should look better. Yes, I think so. Now I can change the background color in any color you wish. You can see that it looks very good and very precise, and it is my favorite color 9F 9F no sorry oops 9F 8F and 9F again. Yes, it's looking great here. Today we did a great job with the help of destructive tool. We could able to make some great job here. You can see with the help of background eraser tool, which is destructive tools here, we made it great job here, and we made it in non-destructive way also. So you can use this technique for your working process. But I'm going to upload more video about the cropping subject from the background with the help of another tools, which is coming in next week, I think. Please, if you like and if you learn something from video, like this video and share it with your friend, and subscribe me and hit the bell. Whenever I'm uploading new video, you are going to be informed and you can watch it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.